StacieWo. Welcome back to my channel, and today, honey, I am so feeling spring, so I am going to be doing this cool spring eye look for you. As you can see, honey, I have already had my base down. I am ready to go. So we're going to be jumping into the Warrior 3 palette by Juvias, please. And honey, I am so ready to be putting this on my eyes because I'm so ready for spring, okay?
Period.
So the first color that we're going to be jumping into as our transition color is this color. It's called Kaina. I think I said that right. That color right there. And I'm just going to be jumping into that and just, you know, putting that in my outer corner, you know. Now we're going to be jumping into the Juvias Paste Berries palette, and we're going to be jumping into this pink right here just to darken up that pink just a little bit. So I'm like so ready for spring. I don't know about y'all, but I'm like so ready for spring, honey. I'm like ready. I don't know, but since I had this pink, I just been feeling like pink colors and stuff. But I'm gonna switch it up for y'all, I promise. Also, guys, make sure you guys get out there and vote. It is very important for y'all to vote. Like, I'm telling y'all right now, vote, okay? We have the control over who we want and what we want. You know, growing up, I was a Jehovah's Witness, so we didn't really get into politics. When I got older, I became a Christian and I started getting into politics, and it's very important for us to vote. It's very important. Get out there and vote, my baby. Next, what I'm going to be going to, I'm going to be going into this darker color, and I just want to darken up, you know, the crease just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? People say, you know, it's not good to use the same brush, but I feel like if you're going darker, you can. Now, since I have that down, we're going to do a shimmer. Shimmer that I want to use is from the Strawberry Milkshake eyeshadow palette. It is so freaking cute. It has like a cute little mirror. I love this mirror. It has all these pretty colors, and I definitely want to use this dark color right here. I just want to try this color on my lid. Ooh, it's so pretty. It got a nerdy smell. It smells like strawberry. Oh, this smells so good. Oh wow, this is my first time, but oh wow, it looks so pretty. I don't know if it's catching it on camera, but it looks gorgeous. Do you hear me? Fucking gorgeous. Oh, and it's like really creamy. Yes, baby. Now I'm gonna jump back into that berries palette. I'm gonna just take this packer and just darken up my crease just a little bit. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Alright, now we want to focus on under eyes. So for under eye, we're just going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to dust this stuff off my face because I haven't had this on my face for too long. It's been too long since you've been gone. Feels good when I'm with you. Alright guys, moving forward. So now you see I just popped my lashes on, and I also put in my inner corner. I actually used this cool pretty like color right here. This right here smells so good. I really love this. It has this mirror. I definitely want to like continue using this mirror. For lip, we're going to be jumping into the Lime Crime True Love. So I'm going to line my lips. I know this might look crazy, but I'm using my contour stick to line my lips because I can't find my liner, y'all. So you gotta improvise. You dig? So I'm gonna use that, and then I'm gonna put this right over top of my lips. You gotta improvise. Don't be judging me. Whoo! That shit. Oh, this shit bright. God damn me, babe. It's pretty though. All right, moving forward real quick. We're going to be jumping back into that berries palette. I want to use this this little light color right here for blush. You know what, matter of fact, I'm not even going to do blush. I'm going to just highlight because I don't even want to be, doing too much. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we could do it, but we just want to chill today, just for the day, okay? Highlighting the shit out of these cheeks, though. Now we highlighting all extra. I have dabbed into some dark so it don't hurt to just contour that nose a little bit more. Yeah. Alright, take this continuous at the front. Alright, my boo, this is the final look. I'm really feeling this look. I love this lip. And I don't know if I told y'all, but this is True Love by Lime Crime. Oh. Am I doing it right? I'm tripping. But if you like this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. I mean, come on, you might as well, bro. You done made it this far to the video. You might as well subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell button either, so you won't miss my upcoming video. So guys, I had so much fun playing and makeup with you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Peace.